I'm pretty sure. I have to pull the others. I don't know what came out wet. Oh no. Weird. Alright, unpause. I think. Come on. I think that's why she's not starting. These plugs are basically burnt the fuck up and covered in fuel. It's great because it has fuel. When I was doing the 1000 cc's, it had no fuel. It wasn't sparking the fuel. Now it's doing it. All because I burnt a relay and then I had to rewire all of it. I guess that other relay didn't work either. But this one does. So, just a normal 30 amp. 12 DC. These are all badly bad. That's what happens when I try to tune it on a very lean condition. Different system. Oh, they're back. Alright, so new plugs. I pulled it out of the garage just a little. Shop light, of course. I just put some, of course, that keeps the ballast keeps overheating. So I just put some starting fluid in it. New fluid filter. Make sure I'm not leaking on the filter side. Don't think so. Just keep going different places. Up here. So we're good. Can't tell. But I think it might be solid. Okay. Well, moment of truth, I guess. As long as it doesn't click. Whew. It worked. All right, to show you that it's not a fluke, one more time. Sounds so good. All right. But I do hear a leak somewhere, but it works. That's amazing. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. It sounds so good. It sounds so good. I just love how it just turned right on. Cold start. Oh yes, give me that light. Whew, so smoky in here, dude. I gotta get that exhaust fixed. I need to figure out what's leaking that I just heard. And I know It's like, oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this has worked. I can't believe it works. All this work. All this for that. Fucking worth it, dude. Hell yeah. I'm gonna go cry after I die from smoking and smoke shit. Whatever. I need something to air this shit out. Dude, that was fucking great. And I gotta tune it still. Oh, that sounded so much better. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to bring this out to the track again. Bask in that. Fuck yes.